Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. And for today's video, we're going to do a coconut flan. Now this is a recipe that's really popular in parts of Asia like the Philippines, also in a lot of South American countries and the Caribbean. So let's get started. If you love creme caramel or creme catalan, you're gonna love this coconut flan. It's super easy to make. It has that nice tropical Caribbean flavors and it takes zero effort. If you're having a party on the weekend, this is the perfect dessert to make. The first thing you need to do is get your caramel ready. So I'm going to use a mix of brown and white sugar, put it on a pan and just leave it. Meanwhile, I'm going to crack in my eggs and 1 egg yolk and mix it all together. Then I'm going to add in the condensed milk and whisk it in together along with the coconut milk. Now this is pretty sweet, so you don't need to add any more sugar to it. I'm also going to mix in the milk, some vanilla extract, salt, and I also put in some lime zest. The lime zest is optional. You could also add in some orange zest or lemon zest. Here I'm going to add in some rum and mix everything together. My caramel is ready now. It has that nice amber color. So I'm just going to pour that into my mold. You can choose smaller molds if you want, or any mold of your choice. Pour my coconut flan mix and into the oven for about an hour. And now we wait. After about an hour and 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. Now, it's pretty wobbly, so you need to put it in the fridge for another 4 to 6 hours. After about 4 to 6 hours, here you go. The moment we've been waiting for. And voila! That's your coconut flan. Absolutely beautiful. Top it off with coconut flakes. You could also add the coconut flakes in the mix, but I don't like the texture. I want to grate in a little bit of lime zest. This cuts the sweetness. And there you have it. A beautiful coconut flan. You could decorate it anyhow you want. You could use some tropical fruits, or you could even use some berries like I have in season. You could also use some citrus, some orange, some peaches. You could go crazy on this. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, the whole recipe will be in the description box below. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my beautiful coconut flan. Till next time, this is me signing off. Bon appetit!